Two common types of flying shearing: saw cutting and mold cutting in P-beam roll forming machine. Saw cutting. Rely on a high-speed rotating saw blade to cut finished roll-formed profiles with cooling system. Advantages are: 1. It creates flat cutting surfaces. 2. Cooling system preserves original material properties. 3. Fits diverse profiles including round, square, and irregular tubes. But it also has limitations. 1. Higher initial investment than mold cutting. 2. Saw blades need frequent replacement. Mold cutting. Adopts a professional cutoff mold or shear blade to complete profile cutting. Advantages are: 1. High speed, ideal for mass production. 2. Low equipment and maintenance costs. 3. Delivers burn-free cutting edges. Limitations are mainly: 1. Molds require routine daily maintenance. 2. Mold replacement is needed for size changes.